Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos. Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the group tab feature in Google Chrome. So if you have many tabs opened like this one, you can change from looking like this to this. So let me show you how you can set it up. First of all, you're going to open Google Chrome and you may have one, two or many tabs opened up. So basically what grouping does is allows to make you folders of your tabs within Google Chrome so that all of your tabs are organized and you can find them whenever required. So in my case, I have these three different tabs opened up and these are my programming tabs. So let's say I want to make a group of these. So on any of these tabs, I'm going to right click, I'm going to select the option add to group and I'm going to click on new group. In this way a new group will be made. I can name it anything. I'm going to name it programming. You have the option to name the group anything. After that you can select any color so that you can tell the group from its color. Currently Google has these limited colors. I wish they had more colors. After that you can enable the option save group so that this is synced with all of your Google account devices with the same Google account, and that's all. We're going to press on enter. So now you can see that this tab has become a part of the programming group. If I want to add this one to the same programming group, I can go to add to group, add programming, and the other easiest way to add tabs to the group is that expand the group, drag and drop the tab to the right side of the group and it should become a part of it, as you can see. And now when I minimize it, you can see that Google Chrome has become much cleaner. So that's the main purpose and benefit of using groups. Whenever I want to do or open tasks related to programming, I know it is present in the programming group and I can find the relevant tabs. If I want to remove any tab from the group, just right click on it and you're going to click on the option remove from group and it will be removed from the group. So let's say for some reason you have hidden the programming group. How can you open it? Well, in the new tab you're going to find it right here. Otherwise just click on this option and you're going to see your programming or any other group that you made. In my case I have these 7 different groups made for me. Here is a real world example that I use groups within my daily life. I have made different groups for my office work, for social media, for streaming and programming that I just made. In office I have all the tabs related to my office work. In social media I have tabs like Facebook, TikTok, etc. In streaming I have different services like YouTube, Netflix and so on. So if I had all of these tabs opened up, you can see that it is difficult for me to navigate or find any tab, but with groups I know where they are present and it has made my life much easier and Google Chrome much cleaner. So yeah guys, in this way you can use groups in Google Chrome. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching and as always, stay safe.